Okay, this is a quick guide on how to get onto Google Classroom and set an assignment. So, first of all, you need the internet open. If you go to google.co.uk, you should see a sign in option up at the top right of the screen. If not, there'll be a little round circle there, which will either have an initial or a picture in. You need to click on that and sign in, or click on the circle and add another account, and it will then take you through the Google sign-in procedure. If I just sign out a second, I can show you the whole thing. Sign in, put in your school email address, then you need to put in your school email address again in this window, and your password, and sign in. If you click yes to this one, it should keep you signed in. And there you are, you're signed into Google. It's got a little T up there for me. If you click this button here, Google Apps, you should see Classroom in there. Click on that one. And there we are, those are the classrooms that I'm currently signed into. So we'll use the Year 4 classroom. This is your main screen. You'll get some little helpful tips when you first sign in. So if you want to share something with the class, you can do that there. You can either post it straight away, schedule it for later, or save it as a draft. And you can attach links to things in your Google Drive, links to other websites, files, or YouTube videos. That's the basic way of just putting something out there on your Google Classroom. Now, if you want to set some classwork, go up to the Classwork tab at the top, and you can create an assignment, a quiz assignment, a question, material, reuse an existing post, or create a topic. So we're going to create an assignment. Give it a title. Some instructions about what you want the children to do, and then you can add a file. So this could be a Word document, and you can just drag it over like that and upload. Then you can change the type of file you want it to be. So if it's just some instructions, it can be view only. If you want everybody to be able to edit it, then you can get everybody to edit the same document. Or what we want to do is make a copy for each student, so they've each got one that they can hand back. Up here, you can make it available to just particular students or everybody. I normally leave the points at 100. Set the due date. Set a topic. I've already created these topics in here, but if you wanted another topic, just click create and it lets you type your own in there. Then up here you can again either assign it immediately or schedule it for later. And there we go, that's now assigned. So back in your stream it should say you've assigned a new assignment. When you click on it, it shows you who it's assigned to and whether they've handed it in. If you click the instructions up there, it will show you what the children see. Now we're going to try a quiz assignment. This is basically the same, but it gives you a Google form. And you can write some questions. Put as many questions as you like in. You can send it to different people from here if you want to. All changes are saved, so we can close that one. And there is our quiz. Same options over here, whether you want to assign it to particular students, if you want a due date, and again whether you want to assign it straight away or schedule it for later. There we go, our quiz is now appearing in the classroom stream, ready to be done. Now if we go and have a look at the student side. Okay, this is the classroom as a student. We can go and we can see upcoming things that are due. Here's our English test assignment. So I can go on to the document that I uploaded. If I click these little buttons here, open a new window. It gives me the options to open with Google Docs. I can make any changes I want. On the document. Saves it automatically back to my drive. So when I'm done, I can turn in. So that one's now turned in. Back to the classroom, onto the quiz. Just it's cool, yes, submit. So that should back as the teacher show up as turned in, and also the assignment should show as turned in. with the changes I've made. I can then give it a score out of 100. Add a comment if I want to. And return the marked piece of work to the student. Okay, going back to the main tabs, the People tab at the top shows you which teachers are in the class, which students are in the class, and if you wish to add anyone, you put their email address in there. Press the invite button, and it then shows that that user's been invited. When they've accepted the request, they then go from that greyed out view to the black view. And then finally grades. That will show you what grade each student has got for each piece of work that's been assigned to them. So here you can see my Tim student account has got a 100 grade for the English test that we've just done. And if I want to, I can view the piece of work again. And that is about it to get started.